Hi guys. So I'm here. You seeing me do my bench press. I had 3 sets. I started off at 350. Then I progressed to 385. Then I took 405 for a run on a few sets. The main objective today was just to go heavy um, and mostly just build up more strength. I had a goal to get to at least 500 or 600 later on in my programming. But as you can see, just did a lot of variations of the bench press. All right, training day number 2 was my squat day. I basically had to go heavy this week as well in squats. So basically my top set was 555, 2 sets for one. After that, I just did variations on working the quads and the hamstrings and the calves. This is what you guys see: leg extensions, a few hamstring curls, each 4 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Day 3 of my training was mostly deadlifts, most of the speed. These are light deadlift day. So I just had 335 for three reps, going for speed. After that, it was the bend over barbell row. I had 4 sets of 15 with that. And I didn't film my upright rolls, but basically I finished off with a set of upright rolls, 4 sets. Alright, that's it. And I will keep you guys updated and posted with more videos. Peace.